An official teaser video showing what appears to be the 2027 Mitsubishi Pajero has been released, essentially confirming the latter frame. 7-seater is getting a successor very soon, briefly flashed on the screen during an official promo video, which also showcased the brand's Dakar Rally pedigree and the 2025 Asia Cross-Country Rally-winning Triton, confirms the new SUV's boxy silhouette with a unique front LED signature that is a departure from Mitsubishi's latest SUVs. The new Pajero could adopt the 150 kilowatts, 470 Newton meters twin-turbo version of the 2.4-liter 4N16 diesel engine from the Triton. However, Mitsubishi's parent group will no doubt want to save and share costs, so there is talk of the new model being co-developed with the upcoming Nissan Xterra. Mitsubishi is likely apply a diesel to its Pajero for global markets. Towing capacity should be at the class standard of 3,500 kilograms. Vertical head and taillight elements, the Triton's broadly masculine grille shape, and the Outlander's floating roof effect with blacked-out pillars into a large and imposing, yet surprisingly elegant design. It has been suggested that the new Pajero's styling takes some inspiration from the Y63 Patrol, which you can see in this render with its shoulder line and full-width taillight aesthetic, though Mitsubishi's large SUV will be far from a clone. The vehicle is expected to have a strong exterior design and luxurious interior fittings with advanced technologies. It will come with a multi-layered leather-covered dashboard featuring vertical air vents and a low-mounted touchscreen. The Pajero will have larger interior dimensions compared to the Outlander, enhancing comfort in the third row and increasing cargo capacity. It will also include phone charging, an AI-powered audio system, wireless updates, along with a comprehensive set of tech features and driver assistance systems. The vehicle will provide more than just a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, as the immediate power and torque of the electric motor systems will enhance its off-road capabilities. This is similar to dynamic torque steering in conjunction with the front and rear electronic locking differential systems. If the production car manages to successfully capture the solid surfacing, classy proportion, and restrained detailing seen here, then the new generation Pajero will already be off to a great start.